China has unveiled a groundbreaking $25,000 pickup truck that has sent shockwaves through the entire automotive industry. Manufactured by the Chinese automaker JAC, this pickup addresses the market's demand for affordable yet powerful trucks, a niche that has long been underserved by automakers globally. With its launch, JAC has set a new standard, compelling other manufacturers to consider a similar approach. Consequently, the market is poised to witness a surge of competitively priced pickup trucks, presenting consumers with an irresistible offer they cannot overlook. What distinguishes this $25,000 pickup truck from its counterparts? And what strategic path has JAC taken that is poised to garner envy from other manufacturers? To answer these questions, it is essential to delve into the unique features and strategies that set this pickup apart and understand why other automakers must take note of this newly uncovered strategy. This new pickup truck released by JAC owes its existence to LDV, a sub-brand of the SAIC Motors Group headquartered in Shanghai. Despite originating from LDV, which typically targets the Australian market, the LDV E60 pickup truck ventures into the competitive segment alongside renowned models like the Toyota Hilux, Mitsubishi Triton, Ford Ranger, and Toyota Tacoma. Although the LDV E60 has already been introduced to the market and praised for its design, smooth ride, and 1,000 kilograms payload capacity, JAC opted to develop a direct competitor. The reason is clear. Despite its strengths, the LDV E60 faced major drawbacks, such as the lack of four-wheel drive, minimal driver assist features, and a steep price tag exceeding $48,000. These limitations hindered its global success. Responding swiftly to this opportunity, JAC unveiled the JAC Hunter EV, also marketed as the JAC T900 EV in Europe, priced at only $25,000. This move undercuts the LDV E60 dramatically, offering consumers an affordable yet high-performing alternative. The Hunter EV distinguishes itself through versatile powertrain options, giving buyers the choice between diesel, gasoline, or fully electric models. The electric version stands out with its all-wheel drive system and advanced electric motors, enhancing both performance and efficiency. Scheduled for debut at the Beijing Auto Show in April 2024, the Hunter EV represents a major milestone in China's growing dominance in the electric vehicle market. Design-wise, the JAC Hunter EV merges rugged utility with sleek modern aesthetics. It features a mech warrior style front end with an enclosed grille, unique lighting elements, and segmented headlamps that create a futuristic, aggressive appearance. The wide, dark front grille divides into four directions, accentuating its bold presence, while the fog lights are positioned separately to add depth to the front fascia. Enthusiasts have compared its design to models like the Mitsubishi Triton and Rivian pickup, emphasizing its blend of toughness and style. The electric variant features a clean front without a traditional grille, a sleek light bar, and a minimalist design that enhances aerodynamics. Inside, the JAC Hunter offers a spacious and functional cabin with a symmetrical T-shaped dashboard, a 7-inch LCD instrument display, and a 10.4-inch infotainment touchscreen powered by the Intelligent 3.0 system. The vehicle is equipped with a 360 degrees camera, voice control, heating and cooling systems, ambient lighting, wireless charging, and a 220V power outlet. Its drive mode selector, cup holders, and large storage spaces enhance practicality, while a panoramic glass sunroof adds to the comfort and openness of the cabin. With seating for up to 5 passengers, double air vents, USB ports, and cup holders in the rear, the Hunter EV ensures convenience for every occupant. Performance-wise, the Hunter EV is powered by an 88.2 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion phosphate battery pack, offering a driving range of up to 500 kilometers, 310 miles, on a single charge. It features a dual-motor four-wheel drive setup that delivers a combined 170 kilowatts of power, ensuring robust performance and traction across terrains. The front motor generates 176 Newton-meters of torque, while the rear delivers up to 342 Newton-meters, providing strong acceleration and stability. Buyers who prefer conventional engines can also choose from diesel and gasoline versions. With a starting price of $25,300, the JAC Hunter EV presents an exceptional value proposition in the global EV market. While taxes and optional features may affect the final cost, the Hunter EV's affordability and innovative engineering make it a serious contender in the electric pickup segment. As it prepares for market launch in 2024, industry experts anticipate that this truck will redefine expectations for what an affordable EV pickup can achieve. Despite strong competition from domestic and international brands, JAC's strategic balance of price, performance, and technology positions the Hunter EV as a game-changer, an emblem of China's growing power and innovation in the global automotive landscape.